Hello. My name is Lakan Sujino ka Sajan. Ini lah mari. Lupa sih yang wajib. Ini kan yang apa? Okay, guys. Hello, guys. Tashi dele. So today I'm going to do a Golgappa challenge with my sister. She is. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Kunsel.
Okay, so her name is Kunsel. She is my elder sister, and I'm her younger sister. My name is lhamo. So this is my first YouTube channel, guys. So please like, share, and subscribe because I will bring more interesting videos in future. So please, guys, make a very big family. So let's
Support us.
support. So okay. Let's get started and wait. Sometimes my English is broken, so please don't mind. Okay?
So here is our.
So we are going to do a Golgappa challenge. Now the challenge is that we both have to finish it. We both have to finish it, okay? So we have to see that who's coming first. Who will finish it first, okay? Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
So guys, you also count, okay? And comment down below. Comment down below who is the winner. Start. 1, 2, and 3. 이현이 날 겁나 가지요. 겁나 쇼나도 긴지 남았어요. 로신. 아 이거 내도 부럽다. Let's be serious. Let's be serious here. 됐다. I am the winner, guys. I am the winner. mẹ hốt chính tiếng là lít mà sao mà sang nghe thốt sai à
I'm still chewing.
and the more she's still chewing and I already finished my Golgappa, okay? So it's clear that I am the winner. So okay, what we gonna do now? What loser have to do and what winner have to win. What you wanna do about this? What do you want to do? What do you want? I want you to give me. Okay. What? Tell.
In next video, we will tell you.
Okay, in next video, she's gonna share that what she gave me. Okay, in another next
Because I'm
video.
a loser.
In coming video, she's loser in Golgappa challenge. Okay, guys. So I hope maybe you like it, and please like, share, and subscribe. And we are
Please
going
to support her.
and we are going to bring more interesting challenge in future, guys.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Sign off.
Love.